Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Cambodia. So let's get started. So as we can see here, Cambodia is having thousands of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and capital is through freelancing. So the best way to make money through freelancing website is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace that uh, where we can sell our product to the initial potential buyers and business owners. So here we can see we can just create easily gig, and it's a very great website. So what to sell? You can sell your social media management uh, gig. Then you can do video editing, deliver personal messages, image background removals, commenting on YouTube videos, commenting on blogs, watching YouTube videos, and other things. Okay, so it's a very great platform to use. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.